Chicken kare-kare is a type of Filipino chicken stew and traditionally cooked with peanut butter sauce. Now let's start by making our own chicken stock. Ingredients are chicken bones, onion, garlic, bell pepper, cloves, star anise, carrots, and peppercorn. Then bring to boil. In our kare-kare, ingredients are pechay, eggplant, chicken breast, and chicken thigh. Some they use chicken thigh because it's juicy and more meaty. Chop garlic and chop onion. String beans, homemade alamang or salted shrimp. And lastly, peanut butter. Some veggies are soaked in boiling water. Now it's time to saute our onion and garlic. Chicken's in, then cook until it's golden brown. Then slowly add our homemade chicken stock. Let it boil and add our peanut butter. Then mix it. Now our chicken is almost done. It's time to add our eggplant and string beans. Then finally our pechay. Wow, look at that! So creamy! Our homemade chicken kare-kare. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye!